Greetings and welcome to how to log into Blackboard Ultra and find your courses for the fall semester 2022. We recommend the Google Chrome or Firefox browsers for the best experience with Blackboard Ultra. Please ensure that the browsing data and history are completely clear before attempting to log on. First thing you want to do is go to the Norfolk State University main page and click the My NSU link up at the top. From there, you will log on using your My NSU email address and click the Next button. Then enter your password and click the Sign In button. When you get the Stay Signed In screen, you can click either yes or no. I usually just click yes. From there, you will be taken to the My NSU portal, and then you'll click the Blackboard Ultra link. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the main landing page of Blackboard Ultra. From there, you're going to go to the left side navigation pane and click Courses. Now you see that all of your courses displayed are in a list mode. They're listed here. I'll show you as you go up and down. But if you click the little icon to the right here, well, they'll be displayed as a picture mode. Some people like that better. And if you go back up, you click them, you can click the icon and they'll be displayed as a list mode. Now, to find your courses in 2022, you come up here to Current Courses, and then you click Fall 2022, and all of the courses that you're teaching in Fall 2022 will be displayed. I only have the one, so it's just one. Now, you'll probably have more than that. You can also come over here to the Filter option and click Courses I Teach. And again, I just have the one. And you'll have more than that, I'm sure, and all of them will be displayed. Or, conversely, you can use the search icon, and that will give you, or the search option, that will give you more options. Now, something else I want to point out is, you see these with a color, those courses with a color, those are Ultra courses, and then those with the gray bar, those are Classic courses, as you can see. Okay, so the color ones are Ultra. Now, you see I have my favorites, and those have those purple stars there on the right side. Okay, well, all I have to do to make them a favorite is to come over and click that star. So like, say this Blackboard 101, I want to click that star there and make that a purple and make that a favorite, and there it is. So now it's got that purple star, and so it's a favorite now. That's a great feature because they're all at the top. Then all my favorites are at the top. That's a great little feature. And of course you could do the same thing with your organizations. Thanks so much for watching. Please contact the Office of Extended Learning for more information. Have a great day.